Now that we've created our terminal box here, let's take a look at creating our terminal cap. So what I can do, I can use that exact same sketch I just created, or I can actually just use this face and extrude up to generate a cap for this terminal box here. Now, one important thing to note is the difference between using my push to extrude and my extrude tool. So let's take a quick look at that. So let's say I want to add a cap here of a thickness, let's say about 3 millimeters. So if I just use the sketch here to generate my cap, let's see if I try to do a push to extrude. Okay, notice it's actually not creating a new body, but rather it's editing the existing body. So if I wanted to make a cap of, say, 3 millimeters there, it actually didn't create a cap. It just extruded the existing terminal box by 3 millimeters. So I'm just going to undo that. That's where the slight difference comes in with using my extrude tools. So if instead I go into my tools here and extrude, the extrude option will always generate a separate body. So again, I can grab any existing sketch or face. So I'm going to use this face in this case. Tap next. And right away we can see the extrude coming in, and it's coming in as its own unique body, which is what I was looking for in this case. Again, I'm just going to change the length. I don't want it to be 50, but I'm going to change it to, again, 3 millimeters or so, let's say. And then tap done to finish it off. So now, as we can see, using the extrude tool, this has generated a separate unique body rather than just editing my existing body there. Maybe I'll just do some final touches. I might just change the color of my terminal box here to the same red color, let's say. And again, maybe add one more group. So let's take a look at my groups there. And it looks like my terminal cap was thrown into end cap here because that's the active group I had. So I'm going to add a new group. Again, rename this group and call it maybe terminal cap. And then add my new terminal cap here into that group. So now we can see we've designed the general terminal box there, as well as a cap for the terminal box.